Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Shopify's built-in analytics. So let's begin. So here we are in Shopify, and to go to the analytics section of the Shopify, you need to click here on the analytics at the left side. So click here, it's very simple. And from here, you can see all kinds of analytics for your store. And as you can see, I don't have any data as for now because this store is just a sample store that I created for this tutorial. But yeah, you can see all the data that you have right here for your analytics. So you can use this data to strategize with your plan on how you can attract more customers or convert more sales right here. And yeah, you can use this depending on what you are planning to do or what you need right here for your data or analytics. But what I'm going to show you next is just click on any of them right here. For example, we need the total sales. So click here on view report. Click here on this button right here, and this would show up a bit more detailed data about this specific analytics right here. So you can see here everything right here by per hour. You can change this also into a more like this. This is a filter one. So from here you can select filter right here, add filter, and you can go for order ID and click on apply filter. And after that, it would be applied right here. And from here, you can also go and print this. If you want to print this, for example, if you want to send this specifically, then you can click here on print, and you'll be able to print this data right here. And you can also export this if you want to view this in an Excel sheet or whatsoever. This will be made into a CSV file right here, and you can also export this or import this into your different Shopify account. And you can also go for save as right here, and you can click at the title right here and click save, and just like that you have successfully saved this analytics right here. So these are really important things right here that you can know here in the analytics section, so that might come in handy for you. And yeah, from here you can go and select right here the filter. So when you go for hourly and you go for none right here, notice the change right here. As you can see, just like that, it has changed right there. And you can also go for yesterday, previous year, quarters, and so on right here. You can even select the date of range. So this is from July 22 to August right here, or you can just set it right here into maybe September. You can also do that right there, or you can go for quarters right here, third quarter. But as you can see, we don't have that yet, so we can't really do that just yet because it's in the future. And for today, right here, you can also do it like this one. So let's say we want to view the data for the last 30 days, and we'll be able to do that. Click on apply. And as you can see, it will fetch the data that is in the last 30 days. And that is basically how you just view and maneuver here in the sales over time right here, analytics. And you can undo what I have told you to the rest of the analytics right here. And yeah, you can do it right here, and you can go for reports right here at the side, and you would see all this kind of data right here. Let's just wait for it to load. Just refresh it. And right here, you can see it all right here that you need. So you can also search right here in the filter reports if you need to. And for the live view it would look like this one right here. Yeah, it would be a more comprehensive data right here because it's 3D, and you can see everything right here: visitors, total sales, sessions, and so on. And that's basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.
If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.